What's up guys, my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing bunny silhouette DIYs, two different ways. I've been seeing these a lot this season, thought they were really cute and wanted to try to do a couple myself, and I thought it'd be fun to do kind of two different variations, give you guys some options, and see which one I ended up liking. So if you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do cake videos, craft videos, just love doing creative stuff, and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. So first up, we'll go ahead and do the white silhouette. This one was really easy. I just had some barnwood left over downstairs from another project, so we just cut it down to width and then cut the length for both of the boards. You just need two boards to put together here. So once those were cut, I just went in with some scrap wood, had my hubby help me out here. We went in and put two of the scrap pieces on the back just for support. And then when it's done, it'll look something like this. And then this is just a bunny silhouette cutout of Mylar that I had around here. You could freehand it, you could cut it out of computer paper. There's a lot of different options for getting the shape. You can find it on Google, Pinterest. It was really easy to find. So I just went in with the stencil here and traced it with pencil to get the basic shape. Then once I had that done, I just went in with some cream colored paint and started with the outline around it. So I had the base before I went in with a bigger brush, and then went in with a bigger brush to fill it in. I wanted this one to be pretty rustic looking, so I wasn't too worried about getting into every little, crevice of it. I kind of wanted some of that gray coming through from the barnwood, so I didn't want it to look perfect, and I thought it turned out really cute, and I didn't even have to sand it or anything, so it just kind of looks like a rustic little guy. And then to finish it up, I had this burlap flower. I believe this came from Michael's at some point. It's part of my stash around here, so I thought it would look cute on there. Just put some hot glue on the back of it and put it on his little bunny butt, and that's all there is to this little guy. And then we'll go ahead and get started on our little chocolate bunny here. So for this one, just took a piece of wood, grabbed the bunny stencil, same one as I used on the last project, put it on there, and then similar to the last one, just went in with a pencil and started tracing the silhouette onto the board. Once we had them all drawn out, just went downstairs with the help of my hubby again. We took the jigsaw and cut out the basic shape for him. Once we had the shape cut out, we just went in with a palm sander, sanded them down to smooth them out a little bit and round off the edges. And we needed a little base for this guy so we could stand him up, so we just cut out a little piece from scrap wood, screwed it in from the front. His tail's going to cover the screw, so it worked out perfect, and then he stands up. Once he was ready, just went in with some brown paint and did a thick base coat around the entire silhouette. After the paint was dry, I went in with my dark walnut wood stain. I'm sure if you've watched my other videos, you'll notice I use this on a lot of projects, so I do love this stuff, but it gives such a rustic feel, and I love staining stuff, so I just went in with the dark walnuts on him, and then that gave him more of the darker brown, rustic chocolate bunny look. Once the stain was dry, I just went in with a piece of sandpaper, sanded down the edges. It just gives it more of a finished feel and kind of pops the edges on it, so I love to sand the edges on projects. Once that was done, that's pretty much it for this guy, just the same as the last one. I have a cream color fabric flower that I've had also probably from Michael's at some point in my stash. I just put some hot glue on the back of it like I did on the last one, put it on his little bunny butt and finished him off. And that's all there is to him as well. So right now he has a home on top of my hutch in my dining room. I think he looks adorable up there. I love seeing him every day when I walk through the door now, and he turned out so cute. So I love both of these. I think I'm going to give the other one as a gift, and since I'm keeping the other one, but let me know in the comments down below which one's your favorite. Do you like the silhouette on the boards, the white one, or do you like the cutout silhouette? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out my Facebook, Instagram. I have some other projects going on over there, mainly some crochet stuff I've been working on. It's been turning out really cute, so if you're into that, be sure to check me out, follow me over there. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you on the next adventure.